Hello everyone! Today I wanted to share these beautiful free photo printables that say Moms Make Life Beautiful. And you can add your own personal picture very easily with not Heritage Designer anymore, but Kittl. So Heritage Designer decided to change their name and branding, and now it's Kittl, but you could still log in with your same username and password if you already signed up. But if you haven't, you can use my link and get exclusive access to this wonderful new platform to be able to edit your images. So let's start with the coloring version. You can either choose the black and white, or I'm going to choose the coloring version. So I already have it open here. And as you can see, it's very light, but once you print it, you'll be able to see the lines more clearly, and the child could color it however way they want it. So I already have a picture here, and I'm going to add it. And it's the top version, so if you don't have the layers, you can go right here. It's kind of hidden, but you can click on layers and the layers show up. And the very top one is that image, and you can drag the picture down, and it's going to be behind the design here. And all you do, I move it up a little bit and I drag it down to where I want it. There we go. And the text here you can edit, so just click on it and you see you can turn it, that says mums right now, or you can change it to an O, or you can change it to grandma, or whatever other cute name you call your mama or your grandma. So once you choose what you want it to say, you go to download and then change it from 72 to 300. And then you can either save a JPEG or PDF and then print it off. And that's it. You can give it to your cutie patootie so they can color it and personalize it, and then hand it over to that special mama or grandma. And that's it. Hope you have fun. Thank you.